Getting ready to move but not sure where to start? Don't worry. With a little planning, you can make your move organized and stress-free. Here's a simple breakdown to help you get started. First, create a moving checklist. Write down everything that needs to be done, from sorting your belongings to booking movers and transferring utilities. Having a clear plan keeps you on track and prevents last-minute panic. Next, set a moving budget. Include costs for movers, packing supplies, transportation, and any deposits or cleaning fees. Knowing what to expect financially will help you avoid surprises later. Then, start decluttering. Go room by room and decide what to keep, donate, sell, or throw away. The less you have to move, the cheaper and faster the process will be. Once you know what's coming with you, start collecting packing supplies, boxes, tape, labels, and bubble wrap. Pack non-essential items first and leave daily essentials for last. Label every box clearly so unpacking is a breeze. Finally, if you're hiring professional movers, get quotes early. Compare services, read reviews, and confirm your moving date as soon as possible. Getting started early is the best way to make moving day smooth and stress-free. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and you can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.